Today we're going to look at what's in the box of Something Wild, which is the card game series by Funko Games. And I have here with me two of the Star Wars, or maybe there's only two Star Wars versions of the game. One is the original Star Wars, one is the Mandalorian series, which the cards, I guess, are based on. It says that it's a card game of character combos. Looks like the cards have the characters that are also represented in Funko Pop vinyl figures. This is the box. It's the top of the box. The other side, bottom, back. That's where it's opening. There's a summary at the back. It says that you match cards, you get special powers, and then you have the pop figure to use your powers, but it's always on the move. And you can combine this game with any other Star Wars Something Wild game for an even wilder time. So I guess, you can combine the two boxes together. So let's open it up now, and if we have time, maybe we can run through the rule book as well. Okay, so here's the Star Wars. I guess it's the first version, and every Something Wild box will come with a mini vinyl figure. The Star Wars version comes with Darth Vader. Okay. And that's the Darth Vader mini pop figure. Nice. And then the Mandalorian comes with Grogu. Okay, well, alright. So that's Grogu mini Funko Pop vinyl figure. Cool. Okay, so here are the two figures, the rule sheet and the deck of cards that come with each box. Let's just open up the rule sheet just to have a quick look. This is front and back, and then I guess you're supposed to read down how to win. Contents should be the same for this, and here's the deck of cards for the Star Wars version. It's glossy, not too thick, not too thin. And then this, I guess, is the character cards. This must be the power cards. So it's got C-3PO, Darth Vader, R2-D2, Chewbacca, Stormtrooper, Han Solo, got Luke Skywalker, the Emperor. We've seen him, Princess Leia, seen the droids, and I guess that's all the different characters in the Star Wars version of Something Wild. Okay, and then let's look at the Mandalorian. It's the power cards that will power up your action figure, I guess. Okay, so, and I guess later we can look at how the power will be used with the action figure, either Grogu or Darth Vader. And then here are the character cards of the Mandalorian. The Mandalorian, Bo-Katan, the Armorer, Ahsoka, IG-11, Boba Fett, Moff Gideon, Grief Karga, Grogu, and is that it? Those are the different characters you can find in the Mandalorian Something Wild game. Nice. Okay, so that's what's in the box of Something Wild by Funko Games.